Hi, students. How is everyone doing? Today we will learn about phonic V and F. Are you ready? Let's go. Open your Guess What book at page 31. Start with V sound. How to pronounce V sound as in van.
Van. Van.
Can you pronounce these words? Vulture, vulture, volcano, volcano, vase, vase. Teacher will give you more example V sound words. Listen and say. Vaccine, vaccine. Van, van. Vegetable, vegetable. Violin, violin. Next, F sound. How to pronounce F sound as in fish.
Fish. Fish.
Can you pronounce these words? Fox, fox. Five, five. Fish, fish. Teacher will give you more example F sound words. Listen and say. Farmer, farmer. Feet, feet. Flag, flag. Frog, frog. That's great. Next, let's practice. Listen and say. A fox with a fish. A vulture with vegetables. A fox with a fish. A vulture with vegetables. Now, activity time. Let's do exercise. Go to page 25 in your activity book. Start with exercise number 12. Very easy. Trace the letter. Let's write the letters versus an F. Have you finished yet? Yes. Very good. And next, exercise number 13. Listen and tick V or F. Are you ready? Number 1. Vaccine, vaccine. Finish? The answer is letter V. Number 2. Family, family. Finish? The answer is letter F. Number 3. Flower. Flower. What is the answer? It's letter F. Number 4. Vet. Vet. What is the answer? It's letter V. Well done. I know you can correct all exercises. That's all for today. Collected all homeworks and send me at the school opening day. Be safe from COVID-19. See you again.